Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to ABSEC's online support program. Level 1 till 3, class 3. Textbook Stepping Stone, pages covered 45 till 48. Chapter 4, topic Providing Goods and Services, Resources and Scarcity. Resources required are laptop, computer and cell phone. Introduction. To know about the terms goods and services, buyers and sellers, to know about the need for interdependence, to know about scarcity and how to make wise choices. Thought of the day. Children are the world's most valuable resource and its best hope for the future. My dear students, children are born to see hope and possibility. Children are wise, for they are not yet tainted by the greed and hate that ruins societies. Therefore, let us look to children for inspiration, courage, and most of all, hope. Objective: students will be able to know about providing goods and services, to know about resources and scarcity, to know about the interdependence. Success criteria: keeping in view the mentioned topic, listen, understand and answer the questions. Now recap of previous knowledge. Let me know how many type of resources are there. Very well, there are 3 type of resources. Okay, name them. Well done. Natural resources, human resources and capital resources. Okay, who is going to tell me who are sellers? Well done. People who sell objects are called seller. Who is going to tell me what are goods? Okay, this is our today's topic. I'll explain you today. Now, what is a good? A good is something you can see and feel. It is something you can use. Examples are car, books, bicycle, helmet and clothes. Now, what is a service? A service is something done for someone else. Sometimes people are paid for their service, sometimes they are not. Examples are cutting hair, cooking, fishing, fighting fire, dentist, haircut. Services, jobs that you pay someone else to do for you. Car wash, trash collector, dentist, haircut, etc. Now, providing goods and services. Objects that you can trade are called goods. Clothes, groceries and cars are all goods. A service is something one person does for others. Sewing, baking, teaching, providing transport, nursing and plugging are all services. You have learned that some workers produce goods which they sell to make a profit. Other workers use their skill and labor to provide a service. These workers are all producers. They make goods which are sold to consumer. Now, providing services by workers. All of these workers shown in the picture are workers provide a service. Now, principle of interdependence. The principle of interdependence is the key to the existence of nature's entire system. The best example we have of this are the cells in the human body. They connect with one another through mutual giving for the benefit of the entire body. Every cell receives what it needs to exist and applies the rest of its strength toward the general body. Scarcity. Scarcity means not having enough of a resource for everyone who wants it. Example given to you is a 1 cup cake and 3 kids. Unlimited want, people never get enough. We always want or need more. Scarcity, the basic economic problem we all face is scarcity. We have unlimited wants, resources to satisfy these wants are limited. Recap. Objects that we can trade are called goods. A service is something one person does for others. Buyers and sellers depend on each other. This interaction in society is called interdependence. Scarcity means shortage of anything. Now it's time for home assignment. Question number 1, define goods and services. Question number 2, what is scarcity? Now, my dear students, do not give up. The beginning is always the hardest. Have a nice day. Thank you.